I just found this hidden box, but apparently that was the easy part because I also found a doorbell. The doorbell actually has a note on the back of it. Try it where you are near the cactus. Listen carefully. Did you hear the ring? I swear I heard it ring over here. Definitely this way. Yo, crickets, you need to chill out right now. I have no idea where that was coming from. It sounded like over here somewhere. This is so cool. I've only found a couple audio caches before. Look at this hidden doorbell. So this box is making the ringing noise, and right here, I believe, is the cache.